So in this Apple Pages tutorial video, I will be showing you guys how to turn on spell check on the Pages iPhone application. So once Pages is opened up on the iPhone, if I were to go ahead and just type in spell check, for example, and spell this completely wrong, if it's turned on, there's going to be a red line underneath it. Now, if you want to go ahead and turn it off, it's pretty straightforward. Or turn it on, in this case, turn it on. Go to the top right, press on the three dots right here. Then just scroll down all the way to the bottom. There's a bunch of different options right here. Where it says Smart Annotation, go ahead and select that. We actually don't want that. My apologies. Press on the three dots right there. Then scroll down to the bottom to where it says Settings. Now, under Settings right here, where it says Autocorrect, you can go ahead and search up autocorrect right here. And where it says spell check, if you wanted to turn it off, it look like this. If you want to turn it back on, it'll look like that. Go to the top right, press on the check mark right there, and then your spell check will be turned on in this case. So pretty simple, pretty straightforward. That's how to turn on spell check on the Pages iPhone application. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.